Many people's spring resolutions include cleaning, but keeping a clean house is difficult. Cleaning becomes less a priority as time passes, especially if, like us, you don't sweat the tiny stuff. It's evening. Before flicking the lights off in the kitchen for the night, you've cleaned the sink, filled the dishwasher to run, wiped off the counters, and maybe even ran a mop over the floor. But consider this: how frequently do you clean the interior refrigerator? When it comes to cleaning, the fridge is typically overlooked, but sticky stains, dirt, grime, spills, and more may quickly accumulate within. An hour spent cleaning out your fridge can make you feel great. Having a clean place to store and prepare food is one less thing to worry about. So here's 10 simple methods for cleaning up your refrigerator. And be sure to stick with us to the end for our bonus tip. One, supplies. Check that you have everything you'll need to clean out your refrigerator before you start. You can use a multi-purpose spray cleaner, but choose one with less odor to affect your food. You'll need sponges or cleaning rags to wipe on the surfaces of your refrigerator. Handy tip: use vinegar. It cuts through oil and keeps food safe. You can use the bowl or combine vinegar and boiling water in a spray bottle. Two, make space on the countertop or table. Clear a space on the counter before tackling the refrigerator. You'll need somewhere to put everything that you took out of the fridge. Handy tip: use a cloth or towel to protect the surface from dampness, container residue. Three, remove the items from the fridge. As you remove them, check every item in your fridge and throw out anything that's moldy or is expired. This helps conserve counter space. Make a note of everything you need to replace at the store as you go. You may also take advantage of this time to reorganize your refrigerator and encourage healthier habits in the next year. Handy tip: sort through your condiments and sauces. My hubby's a sauce collector. He's always finding new ones to try out. Some are awesome, others hit and miss. Throw out the losers and note those to use up and not buy again. Four, remove shelves and drawers. Set aside drawers and shelves to adjust to temperature. Plastic will be stressed by sudden temperature changes. Handy tip: the tub or shower is a great place to stack the shelves and drawers. Five, wipe down the refrigerator door and walls. Almost any surface in the fridge can gather spills and grime. Use your vinegar and water mixture or multi-surface cleaner to clean the fridge walls. Sweep up dried debris from the bottom of the fridge. Wipe the roof and then work down the walls and back. Clean the inside of the refrigerator door as well as the walls. Lay a wet rag on the bottom of the fridge to loosen stuck on or dried out grime. Handy tip: you must avoid abrasives, but copper strands of a copper sponge can help remove buildup while remaining gentle on your surfaces. 6. Take regular breaks. When you see the fridge door has been open for a lengthy amount of time, it's critical to take a break. This can help safeguard your food while maintaining the inside temperature of your fridge. Handy tip: put your most perishable items in a cooler so you aren't as rushed to get done. Meat can hang out in the refrigerator bag or in the freezer for an hour or so without harm. Seven, clean the fridge drawers. Remove everything from the drawers, sweep out any debris. Fill the drawer with warm, soapy water and wash it if it fits in your kitchen sink. Clean the drawer with a towel or sponge if it won't fit in the sink. Handy tip: clean drawers and large shelves in the tub or shower. Run cool water on them to loosen grime. Scrub, rinse, and dry on a towel. 8. Keep your food and containers clean. Make sure everything's clean before putting it back in the fridge. Sticky surfaces or caked-on food may be found on condiment bottles, jam jars, and food containers. Even if the container appears to be clean, wipe them down. Remember to wipe off the container's bottom as well as the seal or margin surrounding the lid. Handy tip: to remove food buildup from the caps of your condiment bottles, make sure the lid's on tight and wash them in the sink with water. Nine. Clean the outside of the fridge and the seals. A clean, sparkly refrigerator can make a huge difference in the appearance of your kitchen. Be sure to get all the gunk that is built up on the seals along the top of the doors. Remove any magnets and clean the surface with refrigerator safe cleaner. Handy tip: Mr. Clean Magic Erasers will remove most stuck-on grime. (10) Refrigerator freshener. Using a refrigerator freshener can help extend the life of your freshly cleaned fridge. These can be found in practically any grocery shop or on the internet. Most fridge fresheners stick to the inside of your fridge's wall and help eliminate odors. Handy tip: to assist absorbing odors, keep a bowl of oatmeal or an open box of baking soda in your fridge or freezer. monthly quick clean. Focus on cleaning just one shelf at a time. If cleaning the refrigerator feels too challenging, bonus tip, or done more often, cleaning the refrigerator one shelf at a time is the best way to accomplish this. Only take the goods from one shelf at a time, wipe down the shelf, and scrape off caked-on grime before replacing the objects. So how often do you get to your refrigerator? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. We'll see you next time as we get to the farm.
And I feel like New York City. Get me to the farm.